Good morning. This tutorial is designed to use Photoshop to be able to crop and adjust a photograph. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and open one of your pictures. Go ahead and do that. All right. So once these are opened, we want to make them a 5x7. 5x7, 3x5, 4x6 are all sizes of frames. So ours is going to be 5x7. So we will go to the crop tool, which is right here. Click on that. And this drop down has to be on WH resolution. Then what we're going to do, if you have a portrait like I do, you're going to make it 5 inches by 7 inches. This grid is going to pop up, which allows us to kind of center things or not center things. So what this allows you to do is to go in and move this smaller or larger, and then you can move your picture on the inside of it. I really don't want to crop mine out, so I'm going to make it bigger. Again, you just use those corner handles to make it larger. Once you feel that you have the right size, you hit enter, and then hit enter again. That will help it crop. Now, you're going to go in and you're going to file. You're going to go file, save a copy. You're going to want to save it into your original folder. I'm just going to save it right here for now. You're going to save it as your name. And it's going to be selfie cropped or crop selfie. We'll get rid of that PSD. And it should be saved as a JPEG. Okay, so drop it down, make sure it's the first JPEG. And you save it. And what it will show is your options. Make sure it's on baseline, the standard, and it can be anywhere from 8 to 12. At 8, you can see that this picture is 630K in size. If I move it up to 12, it is now 2.2. So it just takes up more space. But for us, a 10, 8 or a 10 is sufficient. So I'm going to push OK. And you'll do that to each one of your photographs. Now, the reason we're saving them that way into your original folder is to make sure that every time you bring it up, you will be using the adjusted piece. Now we are going to adjust them, and I'll show you that in the next video.